Welcome to our Algebra series. Today, we are diving into transformations of parabolas, specifically focusing on horizontal shifts. We will learn what happens when we replace x with x minus h in our function. Before we start shifting things around, let's remember where we start. This is the parent function, y equals x squared. Its vertex is at the origin, 0, 0, and it is symmetric along the y-axis. This is our baseline. So, what exactly is a horizontal shift? Simply put, it is moving the entire graph left or right along the x-axis. Notice that the shape of the parabola does not get wider or narrower, it just slides over to a new location. Here is the general formula you need to know. Y equals, open parenthesis, x minus h, close parenthesis, squared. That value, h, represents the horizontal shift. It tells us exactly how far to move the graph. Let's look at an example. Y equals x minus 4 squared. You might see that minus sign and think negative or left. But in this formula, a minus sign actually means we shift to the right. Here, h is positive 4. On the other hand, if we have y equals x plus 3 squared, we are shifting to the left. This is because we can rewrite x plus 3 as x minus negative 3. Since our h value is negative 3, we move in the negative direction. Here you can see all three together. The white dashed line is our parent function in the center. The yellow graph shows a shift to the right, and the blue graph shows a shift to the left. Visualizing them together helps us see the pattern clearly. To keep it simple, use this cheat sheet. If you see x minus a number inside the parentheses, move right. If you see x plus a number inside the parentheses, move left. It feels counterintuitive at first, but it is a consistent rule. Let's test your knowledge. Look at these four equations. For x minus 7, we go right. For x plus 2, we go left. For x minus 1, right again. And for x plus 10, we shift left. Hopefully, you got those correct. Great job today. Remember, horizontal shifts happen inside the parentheses. X minus h moves right, and x plus h moves left, all while keeping the same parabola shape. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.